First time kong manood ng sine dito sa New Zealand. Dito pa sa Victoria Theatre. 1912 tinayo mga Finboy.
The people of Devonport are gathering for the Victoria Theatre's 112th anniversary.
Simula na. Dito pasok tayo. Okay nila rito sa Devonport. Salvation Army. $5 oh. $5. Lima. Dito na kami sa boat.
Yan, coal. Parang aspalto.
So much. Right, boys, we got 6 tickets to Henry, A Love Story.
First time kong manood ng sine dito sa New Zealand. Dito pa sa Victoria Theatre. 1912 tinayo mga Finboy. Picture lang ako dito mga Finboy. Yun, titikit natin.
You're paying for Nick today?
Yes, I am.
Kung panonoorin natin, ikukwento lang nila ang kasaysayan nito.
Ay, ito.
Oo, kasaysayan nito teatro.
Baba.
May upuan siya?
F16 ako.
F18.
F19.
Judas is looking incredible right now. And he had good
Sorry. Ayan. Pinboy. Ang saya naman.
Luma-luma, no?
Luma yung ano.
Pin-reserve nila eh.
Silipin natin sa ilalim mga Pinboy. Sama tayo sa nila. Grabe ang taas na ito.
You've seen up above what look like trash bags over the scuppers. They are the entry points down to the bunkers. And consequently we just throw it otherwise. Courtesy here. Once the boiler's burning, you can throw away something that makes it burn. But as we get probably it's only downside. Whereas the coal.
Tingnan mo yung rugs.
Ayos pa. Tagal na pala na ito.
Yung Metropolitan Theater malapit sa post office. Ganito ang Metropolitan Theater. Pin-reserve din nila sa Manila.
This is literally
Ayan na. Nag-uumpisa na yung palabas.
Parang Italian, ano? Italian. Correct. Initan ako. May heater siya eh. pa rin ang sound, no?
Oh.
Gone now. I wish you'd stop saying that. One day we might wake up hungover with 2/3 of Dilly's got time. But we'll always have this island and your beautiful music. Wowzers in your trousers. Yeah, the waves.
No, shh. Like, shut up, don't say anything.
Yeah.
Estoy buscando a mi bisabuelo, Fernando Ramírez. Todo el país está lleno de fosas. En todas partes se llevan a cabo ejecuciones.
Antonio, Barajas, ¿qué tal? ¿Sabéis si va a venir alguien más?
Mi bisabuelo compartió el calabozo con su maestro, un tal Benaiges.
Se llama Imprenta. Con ella vamos a publicar nuestros propios cuadernos. Cuanto más aprenda una vida en la escuela, más opciones tendrá para su futuro.
The people of Devonport are gathering for the Victoria Theatre's 112th anniversary.
Simula na.
To celebrate, there's a free film for children, just as there was back in
Last year, yeah.
1912 when it opened. Today's film is the classic 1939 Wizard of Oz.
Tapos na. Yan yung history ng Victoria Theatre dito sa Devonport.
Okay, thank you. See the boat.
Ayan yung number ko.
Tayo muna tayo.
F19. Say dito parang
Number 18 ang akin.
18.
Original design ng ano carpet.
Ang carpet na. Wow. Ganda. Dito tayo. So ito yung inupuan ko. F19. Minutes lang yung palabas. Tungkol to sa Victoria Theatre dito sa Devonport. Victoria Road. Original pa pala to, Tito Frank. Carpet. Thank you. Na-experience natin manood dito.
Papalikat mo na ako, ha?
Apa.
Sino itong artista nito? Sino ang artista nito?
Ayun mga kapinboy, Victoria Theatre, October 26, 1912. Tagal na. Ito pa rin yan eh. Tara na. Ganda. May bilihan din ng popcorn dito, ice cream. Dito order ng pagkain. Opo, toilet po yan. Makahihiwa na tayo dito sa CR nila. Ayan o.
Thank you.
Pakita natin yung labas mga kapindoy. Ito pa rin siya. Ganyan pa rin siya. Sige po. 113. Tagal na. 1912 tinayo.
1912.
Umakit kami dito, Tito Frank, dito sa Mount Victoria.
Mount Victoria. Ito
Tapos
sa
yung
walk. Ito yung sa car.
Opo. Tapos yung isang bundok doon, North Head naman.
O North Head. Yung may mga kanyon.
May mga kanyon. Tapos sa baba nun, may beach area din po doon sa baba. Napakaganda ng lugar, ano?
Mga old heritage building.
Diyan kami nagsine mga kapinboy. Victoria Theater. Yan yung building na yan. Dito sa Devonport. Ayan si Tito Frank, kumukuha rin ng picture. Mga 20 minutes yung palabas. Pinalabas yung history dito sa Victoria Theater. Kakain na kami.
Dito ko wala. Dito.
Kain muna tayo. Titingin lang si Tito Frank doon sa kabila.
Init.
Tikman natin yung kanilang pukoy. Okay pa. Okay na ito. Yan ang isa. Ano ba to? Tikman natin to. Mga kapingboy oh. Panalo. Iba-iba, no? Ang kapingboy. So yun lang. Okay na to. Busog na ako dito.
Drinks mo dyan. Bakit drinks mo? Drinks. Binahin mo na ba kayo?
Kain muna tayo. Lunch time na, lunch time.
Edit.
Busog na po.
Ito, pinsan ko ito, Kasin.
Ayan.
Kasin ko to. Edit
Busog na,
ano?
busog na.
Dayuhan na nga.
Na-opera kasi ako sa
Tuhod.
Yan ang ugali na kumakain kahit nakabilan. No? Pareho tayo dyan, hindi natin magawa yung ganyan.
Sa labas.
Takot tayo sa araw.
Totoo.
ang Pinoy, takot sa araw.
Takot sa araw eh. Sila hinahanap pang araw.
Oo.
Punta naman tayo dun sa
Boat.
sa boat naman.
Sa Port Wharf. Sa pier mismo.
Babalik tayo dun sa wharf kanina. Dito pasok tayo. Okay nila rito sa Devonport. Salvation Army.
Salvation.
So mga ukay nila rito sa Devonport mga kapinboy.
Presyo.
$5 so. $5. Lima lang, lima. $3 so. Mga kapinboy, mga sombrero. Ang cowboy. $3. Ano? Opo. Pero tingin ko kasya oh. Pwede na eh.
Eh, yung ganda nga. Ganda ng tela.
Oh. Sa panlamig ba?
Suot ko ano dyan.
Opo.
Ayan doon.
Sukatin ko mamaya. Aba.
Ikaw naman. Coca-Cola mo.
Napapansin.
Huwag yung nakaganon. Oo. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Ganda ng mga bulaklak ko dito. Parang cauliflower eh.
Ha?
Gaganda ng bulaklak.
Parang cauliflower.
Eh, bulaklak na.
Yan, ang parang siya bulaklak.
Hindi naman bulaklak. Siguro
Parang
dahon
siya
nito
bulaklak.
Maruda.
Kakabukan niya.
Galing na. Parang mustasa eh.
Oo, parang mustasa nga.
Ang kulay.
Nandun yung karagatan. Napakaganda at malinis. Ay, may sasakyan pala dumadaan dito. Sorry. May nalusot pala dito. Yun yung pupuntahan natin doon. Papasukin natin yung boat. Sige, tara. May mga nagpi-fishing din dito, Tito Frank. Minsan nakikita ako ang nagpi-fishing.
Oo.
Sa mga... oo nga, yun oh. May mga kababayan din tayo nagpi-fishing pala rito. Ang linis oh.
Oo, linaw oh.
Malinis. Ano?
Ito yung bato sa...
Linis mga kapinboy oh. Punta kami ron sa boat. Papasukin namin yung boat. Ayan.
Panoorin mo sa Pinboy.
Apo, mapapanood nyo to bukas. I-edit ko mamaya pag uwi.
Ang daming vlog niyan.
Daddy Frankie, ano sa Philippines, laki ng...
Ah,
Oo, nauuso yung vlogging ngayon.
Lagi ko nga nilalike eh. Ano yun? Si Daddy Frankie.
Parang charity vlogger siya.
Oo,
Wala
charity.
tumutulong siya doon sa mga
Sa mga...
homeless.
oo.
Minsan. Kalma lang yung tubig dito eh. Ay, may mga nagfi-fishing dito. Sigurado may kabayan tayo dito nagfi-fishing din. Oh.
Dati yung Vero yon, matagal na yon. Yung Vero.
Ah, matagal na yan.
Tsaka yung ANZ, matagal na yon.
Ah.
Di na nananamit niya.
Ito may mga nag...
Open to public ito eh.
Alas dos?
Ayan ang pangalan niya, William C. Dalby.
Ah, yeah.
Dalby.
William C. Dalby. May mga nagfi-fishing dito mga kapinboy. haba ng kanilang fishing rod.
Ano kaya panggatong nila? Para magpakulo ng tubig boat.
90 years old, Tito Frank.
Luma-luma. Heritage na lang, pan-display.
Oo.
Pinta-serve nila.
Ah.
Ito siya. Oh. William C. Dalby.
Ano.
Okay tayo.
Ayun, sabihin mo muna kung ano pwede.
Okay, importante kayo ng publiko. Yan. Panguna ka na, baka mahulog ka para makado kita.
Baka may pababain tayo.
Dito na kami sa boat.
So we were using coal. It's almost done. We were burning some fresh wood and it turned out to be doing some tests that actually, even under load, it actually performs quite well, which the engineers were not expecting to do. Anyway,
Do you still have coal?
literally there's hardly any left on board. We've got this wood briquette type stuff.
Wood briquette.
So, and it actually
So
works out cheaper
you're
than
now
coal.
using today wood briquette instead of gasoline, instead of petrol?
No liquid fuels. It's all solid fuel. So when she was built in 1935, this year,
Ingat.
so on board deck, we call it, there's a tow hook right there, and you're currently going into the boiler room from the opposite side. So look and adjust to that.
What is that for?
So when obviously fittings change, that's the tow hook. So
Spring.
Yes, so that is able to absorb the flexing forces. If you didn't have it there, it would tear the ship. Well, it might do. So that's why you have to have the spring to absorb the.
Ay, yun yung ano.
Yan ang engine niya.
Engine.
Engine niya. Engine. Yung maneho niya.
Ay, meron pa pang ilalim.
Maneho. Yan ang engine. Yan ang engine.
Kailan?
Yan ang engine. Hindi ba igagayin tayo? Hindi ba natin hihintayin para ma-explain niya? Dapat sasabay tayo sa kanila para ma-explain niya. Parang hindi gumagano.
Oo.
Hindi ba, ano?
Matatag.
Hindi tumagalaw, nasa tubig.
Anong ginawa?
Ano, 1935.
1935 o 1935. Hintayin natin ang mag-explain para sabay-sabay na.
Alright, this is for a warp, not winch, even though to a land wind it's called a winch. And we always have one forward aspro, and the ventilators behind you is the rudder quadrant. And so we're not that inside here, I'll explain later. And the rudder post right there needs to be kept lubricated. Be replaced
Original feature.
Like this is our canopy, but great for having a party. Now I'm not sure if that is ready to be opened yet, but this is the engineer's cabin, and first mate and first and second engineer lived in here, as well as also the telegraph operator when she did have one for a short time. She took 82 days to sail here from Scotland and only bunkered fuel 5 times. And this plate there, which is currently cut off, that's what you would have used if we had lost control of the actual the engine itself, which has never happened, but they put in the safety feature there to
Engine room.
even HMS Belfast has something very similar to this, but they've got about half a dozen of these wheels for some strange reason, so if you have problems, you're in trouble.
Hintayin natin, nag-explain siya.
1935 itong boat na to. 90 years old na pala ito. Toilet.
Forced drag heating. So it essentially operates the same principle as a supercharger would on a gasoline. I'll continue the tour. Oh, that's a ferry. There is only a very small pinch of coal left.
Silipin natin sa ilalim mga Pinboy, sama tayo sa kanila. Grabe ang taas na ito.
You've seen up above what look like trash bags over the scoppers. They are the entry points down to the bunkers, and constantly we have to dry otherwise it kills you. Once the boiler is burning, you can throw away something burn. But just has to be kept dry. It's only downside. Whereas the coal, you could have water on it and it will still burn, chuck it in the hole and it will still burn. But that's only downside with this wood stuff. So we've got to dry in 3 furnaces each. And when we normally clean, have these hatches open to clean the pipes, the same way you have it on the locomotive on land, same thing here, but we only have to clean ours once a year, even with burning this new fuel, because it makes it much more efficient and you're not wasting as much energy and it doesn't destroy the funnel. And see you later. And you can still see the trunking from the forced draft, so it runs right down the side and goes underneath. And this one right here, there's the lamp right there. There we go. Alright, the extension cord. You can see the fire bars there. We do have some spares, as you might believe, and right at the back is the masonry and the combustion chambers up the back. So hopefully I don't need to explain it to you, but the ash pit is on the bottom. And so it really falls through the bottom. Very particular to clean it up for the annual inspection. So the annual inspections alternate each year, but we do the full clean down annually. And shutters and hence the safety here, so you don't open it when the door's not shut properly. Forced draft and
yan, cold. Parang asfalto. May init ito.
Essentially, we have a
Kung bata kami, ganyan ang pagdako ng mga trend sa
So normally we have a lead stocker.
Works. It's quite unique because the pistons actually rotate in this around that side of the engine. Is basically you've got a box, and in that box is another little cube.